Good job on your new song.
My story, this is my life, this is how I live my life, and you can get anything else that you do. I got my finger stuck down the drain. I was trying to clean my own brain. I had a Q-tip, lost it, now it's stuck inside my earlobes. I didn't even need to pierce my lips, but now I broke my hip. I fell down the stairs. I got lost. I don't need to use no fabreeze. I made her laugh so hard she started to wheeze. She asthmatic, so I get her inhaler. She said she wanted to talk about Vlad the Impaler, cause she has a history project. I said, okay, let's Yahoo him or look him up on Ask Jeeves. She said she thirsty and she want that purple drink, not no Gatorade, she want that Powerade. She said she needed to relax with some broccoli, so I steamed it up and added some cheese and bacon bits. I just cleaned so she don't need to use no Febreze. My house so clean, I don't need to use Febreze. I made her laugh so hard she started to wheeze. She asthmatic, so I get her inhaler. She said she wanna talk about Vlad the Impaler, cause she has a history project. I said, let's Yahoo him or look him up on Ask Jeeves. She said she thirsty and want that purple drink, not no Gatorade, she want that Powerade. She said she needed to relax with some broccoli, so
Is this recording?
Added cheese and bacon.
Get the racks on the railroad track. I don't need no backpack.
I just cleaned and I don't need no Febreze. I just got her a tissue cause she just sneezed. She said she wants something acidic, so I get some sour candy and shared it with my good friend Randy.
Hi, I'm Randy.
I took her home last night and we ate steak. I told her I went to work early by mistake. She took a nap and I went to outside to break the leaves. Then I went to the bathroom and there I saw it. Oh no, the Febreze. I started to cry because my host had just died. And now I gotta clean for her. Her house was clean, she grabbed the Febreze. Every time she left, she starts to wheeze. I get her inhaler and steam up some broccoli with the melted cheese. She said she wanted bars, and now we could roll them together. You call me screaming in the night. She had a nightmare about Febreze. It was spraying her and started to make her sneeze. So we grabbed my keys, went on a drive. Came to her with McDonald's, but they forgot my fries. Never mind about them. They were on the table. In fact, they actually gave me two. I called and told them thank you. She sneezed and I gave her a tissue. She said to look and check for monsters, so I looked in the closet and didn't see anything. Looked under the bed and I hit my head out of fear. A can of Febreze lies sitting there. What a scare, how dare someone put tape on the spray part of the bottle to make a Febreze bomb. I explained why her room smelled like lilacs and lavender. Found out she has a brother, it was him. I axe bombed him and now he smells like a 7th grader. Haha, he's actually in 8th grade. Tomorrow at school, people will laugh and say, what, is this last year? Why take an axe shower when you can just bathe and drink purple Powerade?
Grease fingers. So it's coming in.
Hey, yo.